All right, so 4-Minute Fridays. What am I even talking about? So yes, get ready for 4-Minute Fridays. So what are 4-Minute Fridays? So if you guys watched my 2017 year in review and my 2018 goals, you guys saw that one of my goals was to create more how-tos, tips, and tricks videos. And with that, what I decided, I put out a poll on my social media. Insert shameless plug here. If you aren't following me, you could. And that would be Instagram is at Bessie Young Photography, and Facebook, same thing, Bessie Young Photography. So if you feel like following me on those, head on over that way, and I'll put the link in the description below. But what I did is I put out a poll, like a survey, on both of those social media platforms, asking everybody if they would be interested in what I'm going to be calling 4-Minute Fridays. And every single person that actually participated said yes. So 100% of people said yes, that's what they want to see. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And what is it? So I want to be posting every other Friday 4-minute videos that are tips, tricks, and how-tos. So they're going to be short and sweet, to the point, and that way they're just short and sweet. You guys get the information that you want in under 4 minutes. So it's going to be a little bit difficult for me just because I tend to ramble, and I talk and I talk and I talk, and I think I get a little bit nervous and I just keep talking. And so that's why some of my videos are incredibly long. And I typically try to keep my videos under that 10-minute mark, but they're really close normally. These are going to be 4 minutes or under, and it's all going to be tips, tricks, and how-tos. Now don't worry, I'm still going to be sharing my how-tos, how I got the shots, and like behind the scenes and my adventures with you guys. So don't worry about that. This is just going to be in addition to, on Fridays I will be posting this. So my goal right now is every other Friday I will be posting a how-to, tips, and tricks. And if I decide to get crazy, I'll post every Friday. But that's if I get crazy. So I will be posting every other Friday these 4-minute videos, and they're going to be called what? 4-Minute Fridays. So anyways, look forward to that. My first 4-Minute Friday will be next Friday. I guess you could technically say this is my first one, but I'm not giving you any tips or tricks today. So just information on what I have planned for this channel, and I hope you guys are looking forward to it and are excited just as much as I am, because I'm pretty excited about this idea. I'm pretty excited to share information, and it's gonna be challenging to do it under 4 minutes, so we'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I